Hey, I just wanted to share my video on how I made a fluid extractor using an inexpensive vacuum pump and a garden sprayer. Basically, I just added a few brass fittings, a gauge, and a pressure relief valve, simple ball valve to stop the flow going into the canister. Of course, you could just shut off the pump, but I decided a ball valve would be great. You can see we are pumping oil through that 3/8 pipe and it fills up quite fast. So let me show you how everything comes together. Like I said before, you need a simple vacuum pump. You could find it for under $100, and you'll also need a garden sprayer. Hopefully get the smaller ones, don't get the taller ones, because the taller ones can't stand as much vacuum pressure as the smaller ones. It will implode, I know. Okay, so you can also use a 3D printed cap. I found that a regular tub rubber cap will suffice in blocking the top, and that's what will happen if you don't use a safety vacuum pressure relief valve. I keep it between 15 and 20 pounds, I guess negative pounds. That works for everything I've used it so far. And you adjust the pressure through that little relief valve that you place on top of the container. Just drill the holes that'll match the tread on those brass fittings. I use a 3/8 for the 3/8 hose, obviously, and I used a 1/4 inch, I believe, bob to attach the vacuum pump to it. Again, there's a shot. Here's a shot of the 3D cap that I use. But like I said, just use a regular rubber cap like that. It works, and it won't be sucked into the container. You'll be good. Again, I just set the pressure between 15 and 20 pounds, and it works. Here's the whole setup here, and as you can see, there's the ball valve there, 3/8 ball valve. Again, you find that on Amazon. I'll have the links. Here is the small hose. I put the small hose because it's easier to attach other hoses. Here you see the 1/8 tubing attached to the 3/8 hose. See it? And now we're gonna see a 1/4 inch. And this hose is for the brake bleeder valve from a kit I bought on Harbor Freight. So it's a lot quicker if you hook up to the vacuum pump than pumping it by hand. Again, here is basically the setup. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video helped you out in making your own, and leave a comment. Let me know what I did wrong, how I could improve on it, and what you think overall about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.